Alright, so today, gusto ko lang maipaliwanag yung trades na ginawa ko today at kasi maraming na-stop out na trades during the US session. London session, okay pa ako. But during US session, after announcement of the news, medyo naparami yung stop out trades. So dito, analysahin natin kung ano yung naging mistake sa ating trades. Right, so mostly mga USD pairs kasi USD yung news at index yung trade ko during the London sa US session, sorry. So ipapakita ko ngayon yung news. So yung news ay lumabas at 2:30 p.m. Central European Time. 2:30. Puro yan USD, marami Then yung pangalawa is 4 p.m. So yung rule is dapat hindi ako wala akong hawak na USD related pairs including gold at oil at pati na rin yung index during that 2:30 kasi yung nangyayari kapag hawak mo yung isang pair na USD related, minsan ay bigla itong nagkakaroon ng gap at pag naka-position ka at meron kang tight stop loss, minsan hindi na-execute yung stop loss dahil nga sa gap. And then napapalaki yung yung loss mo instead of, let's say for example, $50 loss per trade, nagiging 5 times pa yan. Possible yan. So na-experience ko na yan dati. At isa ito sa mga reason kung bakit lumulobo yung loss ko in just one session. At minsan nagkukos pa ito ng rule violation, daily drawdown during a trap firm trading. So that's why it's very important to get rid or avoid trading the news. Right? So that's the main reason bakit hindi tayo mag-trade during the news. Okay, so ito, number one pair na trade ko is yung Aussie dollar. So dito yung Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's day 1, day 2, day 3 na. So after day 3, hindi na dapat ako mag-trade in the long direction. So yung abangan ko dito is yung reversal pattern after 1, 2, 3 push. So basically 1, 2, 3 push. So dito na tayo sa Thursday. Ito yung high of the previous day. Meron tayo ditong 1, 2. Ito, hindi ito nag-exceed sa dalawang ito. High. So ito yung una kong mistake. Kasi 1, 2. Tapos kinount ko ito as 3. Pero hindi dapat kasi dapat mas mataas. Nag-exceed dito sa high nito. Yung third push. So ito yung basic layout. So it's either ganito 1, 2, 3 and then drop 3 push. Yung pangalawa is ganito 1, 2 and then 3 and then drop. So parehong level. So, parang head and shoulder pattern. Yung pangatlo na type variation nitong 1, 2, 3 push is like this. 1, 2. So, higher low siya. Then, 3. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, and then higher low. Push. So, ito, mayroon tayo ditong tinatawag na stop out. So, may mga stop losses dito at dito. Stop out muna sila. Then, drop. So, remember, itong tatlong pattern. At dapat ito, halimbawa sa type 1, nandito yung previous day high. Dito naman, dito yung previous day high. And dito yung previous day high. So, ganyan. Okay, so remember these 3. So, dito naman, dito yung previous day high. At meron tayong 1, 2. So, ito yung third type. Third variant na 1, 2, 3 push. Pero, yung tinitingnan ko is, yung kala ko is like this. Ganito lang, 1, 2, 3. So, wala tayong ganyang variant. Kasi mayroon tayo ditong higher low. So, dapat, muna, stop hunt bago baba. So, and then, yung isa pa dito is that, na tayo sa maliit na time frame. Is that 2:30 yung news. So, basically yung fault ko dito is that hindi tayo patient sa pag-aantay ng setup. Dahil 2:30 na, 2:30 at nasa isip ko is news related type of play yung gagawin ko. Ano yung news related type of play? Rewind ko muna dito. News related type of play is that meron ako dito news candle ito. Then naantayin ko yung pinaka bounce, first bounce. Actually hindi naman talaga nag-bounce kasi ito para itong hammer. So, hindi siya nag-close sa baba. Hindi siya solid candle. At it also indicates na hindi malakas yung short play. So, yung ginawa ko is that after yung second candle, akala ko ay okay na. Pwede ko nang i-short at ilalagay ko dito sa taas yung aking stop loss, 1 bar stop. Pero ang nangyari is that yun, na-stop out lang ako. So actually itong trade na to is aangat pa. So beside sa hindi tamang 1, 2, 3 push, mali din yung judgment ko dito sa news play setup. So, bibigyan kita ng halimbawa ng news play or news trade setup. So, I think yesterday meron lumabas na news. Yesterday, USD also, no. Yesterday, this week na lang. Okay, so 3:45 p.m. I Tuesday. 3:45 USD. Okay. Pound USD. Tuesday. 3:30. Hanap tayo ng news candle. Tuesday at 3:30. Tuesday. Hindi ako makahanap. Tuesday, 3. 3:45. Tuesday, 3:45. Okay, I think ito. Natin ako 3:45 news. 3:45 yung news. 3:45 yung news. So, somewhere here. Okay, ito yung scandal. Okay, ito naman ay hindi siya continuation, so hindi siya magandang halimbawa. Kasi ang napapansin ko dito is that pag hindi malakas yung continuation to the direction where the first candle started. So kung ito yung news candle red, tapos sinundan agad siya ng malaking green, so it's canceling out. So parang hindi maganda yung hindi malakas yung short. So hindi siya convincing. I think kung maybe the last week, tingnan natin last week. Usually my Wednesday news. Last week apply. So 2:30 last week. Tingnan natin 2:30 last week, just for the sake of really good example. Wednesday last week. Tingnan natin itong pound USD. Wednesday last week. Okay. So I hope that token ito. 2:30. 2:30. Okay. 2:30. Okay. 2:30. So, ito yung news candle, so ano lang, constant or steady, then suddenly breakdown. Ito, breakdown. So yung next candle, hindi siya nag-cancel out. So ito, hammer. So breakdown after the news, post candle, at hindi siya kasing haba nitong red. So actually half lang. Then bear candle. So entry sa breakdown nitong candle. Then lagay dito yung stop loss. So that should be our news play. 15 pips lang. So short mo yan. Lagay dito yung stop loss sa taas nitong candle bago nagkaroon ng news. Then yun, hawak lang. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. So napakagandang risk to reward until 5:30. So that should be the supposed to be the news play. That's 3.5 hour until 5:30 p.m. here. So I hope that nakuha mo yung news related play. So kailangan i-judge muna natin yung first 5 minutes na candle. Continue to the downside yung candle, then hindi siya nagalangan, hindi kagaya ng today's candle nagalangan siya. So hindi yun magandang short, pero yung ginawa ko, sinort ko siya, so mali. At saka marami siyang mga 6 ata na position at the same time, stop out silang lahat. So 50 times 6, that's 300 agad pag ma-stop out silang lahat. Then pag nag-re-enter pa ako, then madodouble, mga 600. So yan yung malaking fault ko for today. At saka by the way, ito talagang short setup na daw kasi after day 1, day 2, day 3. Then 1, 2, 3 push up. So dapat talaga susunod na is to short. And then another thing to use for entering is that here, ito yung last push to up bago nagkaroon ng news. At dito yung starting point ng bull move, long move. So lahat ng mga anticipate ng continuation upward, ito yung stop loss nila. Then after that, nagkaroon ng breakup structure bago pa man sa news, then balik ulit. At itong high na yan, hindi na yan breakout, diba? Nag-hesitate. Ito yung news candle, bump, and then another break of the structure. Another break of the structure dito. Okay, first break of the structure, second break of the structure. I'll label it with different color. Not in blue. Okay, second break of the structure. Then entry point dito, stop loss dito, taas. Actually mayroon pang second chance entry opportunity. Tapos pwede rin yung 1 bar stop dito para sa mga very tight stop loss dito. So first breakout, break of the structure, second break of the structure, lagay stop loss sa taas, 1 bar stop. So, pag i-retest yan, so, dito makakapasok ka. Nandito yung stop loss mo, hindi ka ma-stop out. Okay, so that's the 1 minute entry technique. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating current day. At tingnan naman natin yung ano yung naging mali sa iba pang trades. So, yung in-explain ko kanina was Aussie dollar. At so, kung titingnan natin 1, 2, 3 push, type 3. This is the type 3 1, 2, 3 push. Dito tayo mag-enter after 3:30, which is actually the US stock market opening. So, tingnan natin, where is 3:30? 3:30, ito yung 3:30. So, bago pa man mag 3:30, meron tayo ditong breakout. So, ito yung high ng London. Previous high of the session, which is London high. Breakout. At ito yung breakout. So, yung mga breakout traders, mayroon stop loss sa baba nitong 1 bar stop. So, 1 bar stop. Ito yun. Break of the structure. And then, balik. Then, 3:30, opening ng stock market din. Nagkaroon tayo ng rejection. So, ayaw nang umangat. And actually, i-measure natin yan from this break of the structure. So ayan. So, malapit na sa 50%. So, we usually use this for the entry. Yung upper 50% kung shorting. At nakita na natin dito yung rejection candle. Ito, 1533 candle engulfing. Bearish. Back, retest, hindi na umangat. So, higher low na. So, as a breakdown nitong sa baba nitong bull candle. Ito yung higher low, diba? Ito yung higher low. At dito nag-originate yung traders na gustong mag-long. Then, pero 1 bar stop out na sila. Then, hesitation again. So, dito, another entry. Opportunity. Dito, it's an entry also, opportunity. Engulfing and then entry. So, marami tayong entry opportunities within like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. And after that, kung nakuha na natin yan, ay ayos talaga. Malaki yung reward until 5. Actually, in my another account, it was a very nice outcome. Yung trades ko. Although hindi to mali to. This is Euro Yen. Pero yung Euro USD was successful kanina. I took a screenshot earlier. Ito yan. Pound USD. So, this is more than 2.5 hour na. 2.5 hour. So, ito naman, pound yen. So, nakalimutan kong i-close. Kanina yung before mag-close yung market. So, I missed to close them. Kaya medyo down. Down yung yen pairs na yan. So, pero yung USD pairs, panalo yung USD pairs. Okay, then tingnan naman natin yung Euro USD. Okay, same. Tingnan muna natin yung 30 minutes. As you can see, we have day 1, day 2. So day 2, ito na yung high of the week. High of the week at hindi na nag-breakout dyan yung price. So, label natin high of the week. High of the week. So, this is high of the week. And today, 9 a.m. na-establish yung high of the week. So, ito yung isa sa winning trades ko for today, Euro USD. I shorted it there. So, panalo yun. Pero, sa US session, talo naman. Talo. So, now, analysein natin bakit natalo yung Euro USD sa USD session. I mean, USD or New York session. So, but as I see here, actually, kung sinunod ko pa rin yung yung entry point. So, ito yung last na green candle bago nag-sell off during the London session. So, maaaring gamiting entry point pa rin yan. So, as you can see, the respect ng price at 3 p.m. almost 3 p.m. which is actually 30 minutes after the first news was released in the afternoon USD news. So, dito, tingnan natin kung bakit short ako dito sa London. So, ito yung previous day high. And we have 1, 2, 3 push. And ito yung candle, 9:15. After 9, but second hour of the session are good chance to enter. So, ano yung which type of 1, 2, 3 push? 1, 2, 3. So, nangyari dito is type. So, higher low na ito, di ba? Higher low. So, yung type of US push is this. 1, 2, and then higher low. So, parang head and shoulder. So, this is the type 2. So, remember the type 1 is this. 1, 2, 3, then drop. this is type 2, head and shoulder. Kaya short tayo dito. At even in the so take profit ako dito at 30 minutes or 11 a.m. Maliit lang kasi nirespect niya itong order block dito. So, sa ano naman, okay. So, sa US session naman, dito yung entry point. Almost the same as the entry point sa London. So, kung naka-enter ako dito, hindi na ako nag-enter dito kasi marami na akong stop out trades during the 2:30 sa London or sa mga USD pairs. So, tingnan natin ano nangyari dito sa akin during the US session. Actually, sa isang tingin ko pa lang ay mali yung ano ko, trade sa 2:30, yung news play ko. So, ito yung nag-cause talaga ng kamalian sa trades ko today. So, balik tayo sa 2:30. So, yan yung candles then after 2:30. Tingnan natin yan. Okay, hindi siya replay. Hindi siya maka-replay. So, parang may problem sa ating chart. Okay, refresh natin. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, punta tayo sa 2:30 muna. So, yung problema ko dito kasi pag news trade ako, dapat tinitingnan ko muna yung bigger structure. So, yung bigger structure is alam natin na nandito yung magandang entry. We have now 1, 2 push, third push. After the third push, reverse, diba? So, yan ang hindi ko kinonsider. So, now let's break down yung mismong ginawa natin. So, hindi ko tiningnan yung bigger picture ng market structure. So, that was a big mistake. So, ito yung news candle. Ito yung 29. 229. Yung news is 2:30. So, news candle, bam. So, akala ko ngayon, okay, continuation trade ito. So, continuation trade. So, breakdown ng structure dito. Then, pause. Then, I can enter ako somewhere in between here. Kasi for continuing. It's not a bad idea. But, ang naging problem is that bumalik siya dito. Nandito yung stop loss ko. So, stop out ako. So, ang problema sa ganitong technique is that hindi ko tinitingnan yung malaking picture kasi there is a high chances na may stop out. So, at hindi ako naging mindful na 3 push na pababa 1 and 2, and this is the third push. Of course, after the third push, what do we say? There is a chance that it will reverse. So, And then, the second thing is that dapat alam natin yung bigger picture. Kasi kung titingnan natin sa structure na to, nakaka-break pala ng structure at hindi pa tinest. After the break of the structure, hindi pa bumabalik yung price order block. So, and it will happen anytime soon. So, which happened here. So, kung inantay ko yung opportunity na yan, marahil ay big time trades yung naging resulta. So, this is one push, two push. So, this is pump and dump. So that everything is pump and dump or dump and pump. So, ito yung dump. 1, 2, 3, dump and pump. Itong pump. 1, 2, 3, and extra. Pin hammer. Going close to the entry point order block. Pin hammer. Pin hammer. Then drop down. Yan. At tuloy-tuloy na yan hanggang 5:30. After 5:30. Tingnan natin, no? Malaking gain sana yan. Pero wala na tayong bala during that time kasi hindi na tayo pwedeng ma-stop out. Malapit na tayo sa daily drawdown. So, mababiolate natin yung rule. Okay, so next time ulit. So, kailangan tandaan natin itong faults. So, we should learn from this lesson. Right, I hope you learned something for today's video.